Every successful business has one thing in common: it never runs out of cash. You can have an amazing product, loyal customers, and strong sales, but if your business cannot manage cash flow effectively, growth will eventually slow down. In this video, you'll discover the cash flow secret behind million-dollar businesses. Improving cash flow does not always require finding more customers. Sometimes the fastest solution is charging the correct price for the value you already provide. Suppose a business completes 100 jobs per month at $200 each, producing $20,000 in revenue. A 10% price increase would add $2,000 per month before considering any additional sales. Review prices for services that have become more expensive to deliver, require specialized expertise, or create strong customer results. Do not increase every price without analysis. Examine competitors, customer demand, delivery costs, and profit margins. Communicate price changes clearly and provide enough notice. A thoughtful price increase can strengthen cash flow, protect service quality, and reduce the pressure to accept every low-value customer just to keep money entering the business. A cash reserve. Every business experiences unexpected expenses, economic slowdowns, delayed customer payments, or temporary declines in sales. Without reserves, even small disruptions can create major financial stress. Start setting aside a percentage of profits into a dedicated reserve account. Treat this account as a financial safety net rather than money available for everyday spending. Over time, work toward building enough reserves to cover several months of essential operating expenses. Having a cash cushion provides confidence, flexibility, and stability during uncertain periods. Another important step is establishing access to additional funding before you actually need it. Consider applying for a business line of credit while your financial position is healthy. Financial institutions are generally more willing to provide financing when businesses demonstrate strong performance and stable cash flow. A revolving credit facility can serve as a backup source of liquidity during seasonal fluctuations or unexpected emergencies. Finally, create a rolling 6-month cash flow forecast. This forecast should project expected cash inflows and outflows over the coming months. Update it regularly and review multiple scenarios, including expected outcomes, optimistic outcomes, and challenging outcomes. Forecasting allows you to identify potential problems early and make adjustments before cash shortages occur. Use automation to take control of cash flow. The ultimate goal is creating a system where payments happen with minimal effort. Modern payment technology allows businesses to automate significant portions of the collection process. Automated billing systems, recurring payment arrangements, and direct debit solutions can dramatically reduce delays. When payments are automated, clients no longer need to remember due dates or manually initiate transactions. The process becomes predictable and reliable. Automation also reduces administrative workload. Instead of spending hours every month managing invoices and chasing payments, you can focus on serving clients, improving operations, and growing revenue. Perhaps most importantly, automation improves cash flow forecasting. Predictable payment schedules make it easier to plan investments, manage expenses, and make strategic business decisions. The businesses that scale successfully are often the ones that remove unnecessary manual work from their financial systems. Many business owners believe that being busy automatically means the business is succeeding. The phones keep ringing, new orders arrive every day, employees stay occupied, and customers continue walking through the door. From the outside, everything looks successful. Yet when it's time to pay payroll, suppliers, or monthly bills, there is very little cash available. This happens because activity does not always create positive cash flow. Some businesses accept jobs with very low profit margins simply to stay busy. Others allow customers long payment terms while paying suppliers immediately. Growing inventory, rising operating expenses, and slow collections quietly consume available cash even though sales continue increasing. Business owners become trapped in a cycle where they work harder every month without improving their financial position. The goal of a business is not simply to stay busy. The goal is to generate healthy, predictable cash flow that supports sustainable growth. Instead of measuring success by how full your schedule looks, measure it by how much cash your operations consistently produce after covering every business expense. Busy businesses fail every year, but businesses with strong cash flow continue growing even during difficult times. After reducing excess inventory, improve the purchasing system so the same problem does not return. Use past sales data, seasonal patterns, confirmed orders, and customer demand to decide when and how much to purchase. Smaller and more frequent orders may have a slightly higher unit cost, but they can protect cash by reducing the amount tied up in storage. For example, buying $30,000 of inventory every quarter requires a large cash payment at one time. Purchasing $10,000 monthly may better match actual sales. Establish reorder points for important products and minimum stock levels for items that sell consistently. Do not rely only on instinct or supplier pressure. The objective is to have enough inventory to serve customers without turning the warehouse into a collection of money that cannot be spent. Small orders can consume almost as much administrative time, delivery cost, packaging, customer support, and payment processing as larger orders. Establishing a minimum order value helps protect the cash generated from each transaction. For example, delivering a $20 order may cost $12 in labor, fuel, packaging, and transaction fees. The sale produces revenue but contributes very little cash. A $75 minimum order could make each delivery more financially worthwhile. Service businesses can use minimum project fees, minimum consultation times, or minimum monthly commitments. Explain the policy clearly and provide alternatives such as customer pickup or combined orders. Minimum order values should reflect your actual cost structure, not an arbitrary amount. The objective is to ensure every accepted transaction contributes enough cash to justify the resources required to complete it, spending future income before it arrives. Business owners sometimes assume upcoming sales will solve current problems. When those sales are delayed or canceled, cash shortages appear quickly. Successful businesses focus on managing available cash rather than relying on money that has not yet been collected. Cash enters a business from many sources. Customer payments, service contracts, subscriptions, consulting fees, and product sales are common examples. Every business should clearly understand where its cash comes from. Knowing the main sources of incoming cash helps owners make smarter decisions and plan growth more confidently. Cash also leaves a business in many different ways: rent, salaries, software subscriptions, equipment purchases, marketing expenses, insurance, and taxes all reduce available cash. Small expenses may seem harmless individually, but together they can significantly affect financial stability if not monitored carefully over time. Getting paid on time is not about chasing clients harder. It is about creating a business system that encourages prompt payment from the beginning. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.